and a breaking one from Hagago district from Patauton Council, an insect, a kind of grasshopper, is labeled with number 6 at the back. Appeared yesterday, the 15th of April 2024, in one of the business places that I will not mention here. In one of in front of a canteen, people were shocked. Many people came around and they gathered to look at it. All of the people say it was their first time to see it. Me personally, after I saw the video, it was also my first time to see it. Being a cultural scientist, you know, you cannot complete all the animals or insect. You cannot complete all the insect identification, so it was new. I tried to do a lot of artificial intelligence research on it online, and I could not find any insect with a label or number or whatever number on it, and it is a number 6. The insect was so beautiful. That grasshopper was looking beautiful. Since it is labeled with that 6, I cannot technically bring in any family. In Acholi, we call it Gongo To. This Gongo To, a family, belong to a family of grasshoppers. Really beautiful. When you turn the other side, it looks 9. If you look the other side, it looks 6. And it is a shock to many people. People were shocked. People were scared. People wondered what could be this. Now, we're trying to find out if it was a product of mutation, if anything is scientific about it, or if it is something that is spiritual. I will also get in contact with some of our traditional chiefs, and they give their side of the story. And a lot of people have been saying it is mutation, but we will also interface with some scientists to find out this jaw-dropping, shocking insect. Unfortunately, when it was kept, it disappeared. People could not see where it disappeared. We will monitor this development so closely.